Hey, Jonathan.
Hey.
We're back with more tips for our listeners on how to deal with a car wreck if you have one. We're calling these mini podcasts. We have our regular episodes that cover the timeline and cover the true crime and cover my story and Henry Lucas. And then we have mini podcasts that kind of fill in the gaps, and we talk about current events. We also are going to start doing mini podcasts or mini
like those Russian
YouTubes.
dolls.
Yeah, like the Russian dolls. And these where we're just giving you good common sense advice on what to do if you're in a car wreck and how to understand your insurance policy. The first thing I want to say is when you're in a car wreck, the first thing you need to do after you made sure everybody is safe and while you're even still at the hospital, call a lawyer. It doesn't have to be me. Call a lawyer. It'd be better for you if it is me because we understand how to do car wrecks. I've been doing car wrecks since I left the DA's office in the late 80s. And I know insurance policies. I've got Jonathan that works with me, James Catazaro, who is now in the top 100 of the American Trial Lawyers Association. And so me and him are both in the top 100. So call a lawyer, please, so that your rights can be protected. And you cannot afford to wait. Because if you've been in a wreck with somebody, say with a dash camera, or say the police were there with their dashboard camera and got some real good video, or say it's a trucking company and they have their onboard camera. Well, folks, those tapes disappear. Those tapes are written over. And Jonathan, you know how much good evidence we've gotten from some of these surveillance tapes.
Oh, evidence makes a case sometimes, Vic.
We had one case where our lady was going down the frontage road about 50 miles an hour, which was the speed limit. Another lady ran a red light and T-boned her and flipped her right there. And the other lady told the cop while our lady was being taken off in the ambulance, she ran the red light. She ran the red light right in front of me. Well, thank God, Jonathan found from the police report where a witness had been listed. Mm-hmm. Jonathan contacted that witness right away. And that witness says, guess what? I have a camera. I have a dashboard camera and I caught it. And he gave us that video.
Mm-hmm. Free of charge.
Free of charge. And it showed bigger than daylight that our client had the green light and the other lady was just lying through her teeth, pants on fire. And people will do that. They'll lie.
They will lie.
They will lie. So don't expect that you're going to be going in and people will tell the truth. You need a lawyer to get to the truth for you. You need a lawyer to get to these videotapes before they're destroyed and make evidence out of them. And you need a lawyer to make sure that these multi-conglomerate health facilities don't rip you off. And here again, I'm not talking about your sweet doctor and the sweet nurse that work there. They're slaves to the system just like us. Doctors, there are very few doctors getting rich anymore. It's these big major corporations that are getting rich. And they will rip you off at every turn. So call a lawyer and call one soon. I'm Vic Feazell, the law offices of Vic Feazell, and we would like to have your business. I hope you're never in a wreck, but if you are, give us a call. Hi, I'm Vic Feazell. During these trying times, you might want to just stay home. And at the law offices of Vic Feazell, we understand. That's why we're set up to handle your personal injury claim without you even having to come in. Just give us a call, and we'll take it from there. We can send any paperwork straight to your smartphone or computer. Don't delay, because if we don't put money in your pocket, you don't owe us anything. I'm Vic Feazell.